gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and
Red Magic 9 Pro Plus just launched before few days ago. Fast refresh rate, full screen OLED display, flagship processor, superb in design, outstanding heat dissipation system, huge battery, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you in-depth review of the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus, a gaming centric phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. The Red Magic 9 Pro Plus features a unique design starting with a flat back, where even the camera lenses are seamlessly integrated within the back glass. It's a quite departure from many other phones, offers a smooth flat back surfaces without a noticeable camera bump. This design choice creates a more integrated look and feel for the phone. The camera module, instead of protruding out, blends in smoothly with the back glass, providing a cohesive and sleek appearance. Holding the phone, you won't experience the usual awkwardness of the camera bump. It feels remarkably unified. Weighing is 231 grams. The phone offers a well-balanced feel when held in the either left or right hand. This weight distribution adds to the overall comfortable grip and feel for the device. The Red Magic 9 Pro Plus comes in 3 striking colors: Black Transparent Dark Night Edition, Night Black, and the transparent silver wings. Each offers its own unique visual appeal. The Black Transparent Dark Night Edition specifically showcases an angular design on the phone's body, allowing the various components to be visible through the transparent back. This design choice grants a peek into the inner working of the phone, revealing the components in the fascinating manner. Particularly at the bottom area, numerous screws are visible. At the top left corner of the back, you will find the 2 cameras alongside the cooling fan. Both cameras boast a 50 megapixel each. The primary camera houses the Samsung GN5 sensor, while the secondary ultra-wide camera utilizes the Samsung Gen 1 sensor. When viewed from the side, flash module is slightly elevated, yet when placed on the flat surface, it's seamlessly integrated without any protrusion. The phone's cooling fan is equipped with the RGB light effect, adding a dynamic visual element. These RGB lights offers a customizable color options, allowing user to tailor the lighting effects to suit their preferences. The inclusion of the cooling fan amplifies the phone's performance by an impressive 30%. All the buttons are conveniently situated on the right side of the phone, enabling a better gaming experience when held horizontally, as all the keys are on one side. At the top of the phone, there is an exceptionally advanced 3.5mm headphone jack, a significant advantage for the PUBG gamers and audio enthusiasts. Looking at the front, the screen boasts an impressive screen-to-body ratio of up to 93.7%. This expansive screen coverage ensures an immersive visual experience for the user across the various applications and activities. Because the front camera is placed under the display, there is no visible punch hole, offering a seamless viewing experience. The screen, manufactured by the Chinese company BOE, delivers a global brightness of up to 553 nits and covers 100% of DCI P3 color gamut, ensuring a vivid and accurate colors. With a resolution of 1116 by 2480 pixels, the display provides a sharp visuals complemented by the refresh rate of 120Hz for smooth transition and interactions. The most thrilling aspect of the gaming phone often lies in its hardware, and this phone doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with the recently launched Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, coupled with the LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. This hardware configuration, top of the line, ensures the high-speed performance and the responsiveness. What makes it stand out even more is the unique air cooling system paired with the liquid cooling setup utilizing new material. This combination ensures the remarkable heat dissipation. When the fan kicks in, the performance gets a significant boost and you can actually feel the airflow. With its exceptional heat dissipation capabilities, the phone achieves an Antutu score of 2.23 million. Looking at the Geekbench 6 core, it registers around 2258 points for the single core and reach up to 7102 points for the multi-core task. In terms of performance, there is absolutely no need for concern. Moving on the gaming, the device handles the Chansin impact at very high quality setting effortlessly. Additionally, activating wake mode and enabling GPU high quality mode, further enhancing the gaming experience. After playing for 30 minutes in Sumeru City, the average frame rate reaches up to 60.3 FPS, which matches the 60 FPS game setting. This performance is exceptional. The average power consumption during the gameplay is around 5.8 watt, resulting in a 12% battery usage over the 30 minutes gaming session. Regarding temperature, the front reaches a maximum of 43.6 degrees Celsius while the back reaches a maximum of 44.6 degrees Celsius. The difference between active and non-active heat dissipation modes is notable. In the non-active mode, the average frame rate reaches around 58.8 FPS, slightly lower than 60.3 FPS achieved in the active mode. camera. The power consumption is also reduced, averaging around 5.7 watt. However, activating the heat dissipation system elevates the performance significantly, offers a next level gaming experience. Shifting to the test on the Honor of King game, when playing the extreme frame rate for 30 minutes, the average frame rate reaches an impressive 120.8 fps, suppressing the 120 fps setting. This indicates the consistent full frame performance in such games. The phone demonstrates the efficient power usage, consuming an average of 3.4 watt and utilize only about 12% of the battery during the 30 minutes gaming session. Additionally, the device manages the heat quite effectively, with the front reaching the temperature of 39.2 degrees Celsius and the back staying at around 36.8 degrees Celsius. Regarding gaming capabilities, the Red Magic 9 Pro Plus accommodates the gaming preferences across the various resolutions, ranging from 720p to 2K. As for the battery, it boasts a substantial capacity of 5500 mAh. It supports rapid charging at the impressive 165 watt, allowing for swift recharging time. With its lightning fast charging going from 0 to 100% in just 16 minutes, it's a standout feature. Additionally, the software is firmly tuned for gamers, supporting a gamepads and allowing the connectivity with the monitors, as well as enabling the use of the mouse and keyboard for a more immersive gaming experience. This phone transcends the typical mobile phone capabilities. When it comes to the pricing, the base variant start is around 5,499 Chinese yuan, roughly around 610 pound in the UK, and 760 US dollars. In conclusion, one of the most surprising and distinctive feature of the phone is its flat back panel. It's seamlessly integrated, any noticeable bump providing a smooth and integrated design. The performance is undeniably outstanding thanks to the combination of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, setting a new benchmark. The phone incorporates the unique heat dissipation technology, ensuring the efficient cooling during the intense gaming session with a large battery capacity and advanced OS optimization. It's designed to deliver the extended usage and a streamlined user experience. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech video. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.